Good morning. This is Amin from Fat Truck. I am at the Fat Truck headquarters this morning. It's 6:40 a.m. and as you can see, there's a bunch of trucks. People often ask me the question, how well the Fat Truck will start in cold weather. So there I am, minus 29. Let's see if it starts. So none of those vehicles are plugged, and we'll try to do a cold start. So I put the master cutoff switch on, pull the ladder out, climb inside the vehicle, and let's see if this thing will start at minus 29. So the first thing to do is let the glow plug do his job. As you can see, you have the glow plug sign right there. And since it's extremely cold, we'll do 3 shots of glow plugs. Doing number 2. And a number 3. Man, it's cold. As you can see, the vehicle started. He doesn't like it, but